How to make up to $5,000 a month by spending just 10 minutes daily on Pinterest. Whether you're new to Pinterest or looking to boost your earnings, this step-by-step guide will show you how to unlock Pinterest's potential and start making money online. Let's dive into each step to help you leverage Pinterest and grow your income. Part 1. Understanding the power of Pinterest. Before diving into specifics, let's understand why Pinterest is a powerful tool for online income. Pinterest has over 500 million active users monthly, with 76% of them being women, making it a highly visual and influential platform. Most Pinterest users come here looking for inspiration and ideas, making them more likely to purchase products they discover. Pinterest's user base and engagement make it an ideal place for affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting products. By creating visually appealing content that resonates with your audience, you can build a steady income stream by sharing products they'll love. Step 1. Set up your Pinterest account. First, create or convert to a business account. If you don't have a Pinterest account, create one. If you already have a personal account, convert it to a business account under your settings. This unlocks analytics and promotional tools, which are essential for tracking performance. Next, pick a niche and stick to it. Choose a single niche, like home decor, fashion, or gardening, and focus your content around it. This helps build a consistent brand image. Then, optimize your profile with keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords into your profile name and bio to make your account searchable. For instance, if your niche is women's streetwear, your profile name could be women's streetwear trends or streetwear style inspiration. Also, create a professional-looking profile. Use free tools like Canva to design a logo and banner for your profile. A polished profile attracts followers and builds trust. Finally, organize niche boards. Make specific boards that align with your niche. For example, if you're in home decor, you might create boards like living room inspiration, DIY home projects, and modern kitchen designs. Make sure your board titles are keyword-rich and relevant to your niche to improve searchability. Step 2. Find your niche and affiliate programs. First, research trending topics. Use tools like trends.pinterest.com to discover what's currently trending on Pinterest. Trending topics like home inspiration or skincare routines can guide you to profitable niches. Next, choose high-commission affiliate programs. Search for affiliate programs within your niche that offer good commission rates. Some popular options to explore include Amazon Associates, Impact Radius, and Awin. Sign up for at least 3 to 5 affiliate programs to diversify your income sources. Finally, select popular, high-ticket products. Choose products that are both popular and high in commission, such as furniture or luxury skincare items. High-ticket products can lead to bigger earnings with each sale. Make a list of the products you want to promote, ensuring they align with your niche and audience's interests. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll cover content strategies, creating visually engaging pins, and optimizing for Pinterest SEO. Hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and stay connected for the latest on making passive income online.